What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are here with Jay's boosted RSX, and he's gonna take over and tell you guys a little bit about it.
All right, so it's a stock K20 A2, you know what I'm saying, stock transmission. Obviously it has the stage 4 competition clutch. It has a CX Racing GT35 turbo kit. It's tuned making 450 at the wheel. Obviously you need a bigger fuel system, so it has 1000 cc injectors, fuel return system, and it has a DW400 fuel pump and a 3-inch exhaust all the way to the back.
Oh yeah, and we're running that special corn in there. Oh yeah.
I gotta keep it kind of stock, bro. I can't do the hood exit right now, you know what I'm saying? I still need to look kind of legit. So
well, sweet, man. Well, we're gonna get all the GoPros set up, and we got a nice strip over here, so we're gonna get some reactions to what this thing's making. Let's do it.
This is what we gotta do in the name of content, bro. You feel me?
I don't know what to expect, like, this thing just
No, I mean, you know,
is it like
kind of moves?
it's fast?
It's alright.
Seems like it's fast. That's like tuner car power right there.
She's yeah, she gets squirrely, bro.
I've only felt like exotic power, like
no shit. It's different.
It's
sure.
so different.
Exotic's like instant. It's there. You gotta fight this one. You know what I'm saying?
So give us a breakdown. How'd that feel?
Did you
that was,
see us slide?
That was nuts. That's what I said.
Road.
First and second, it got squirrely. That was nuts.
I thought we were coming right for you.
Nah, he's a good driver.
Ridiculous.
He's a good driver. He can
drive. Well, Luke's about to get his turn.
Hell yeah.
Alright, first Honda experience is good.
Oh no shit.
Yeah.
That's
first Honda experience.
That's wild. Let's just go right off the fucking road. Let's stay on this side.
Hell yeah.
Man. But it's no LSD, so when the one wheel starts spinning, the other one's like, hey, I'll spin too. Fuck it, randomly.
Right? Yeah.
So the LSD helps a lot.
Oh, I bet. That's a huge problem in the 335s too.
No
they don't come with LSD. So it'll just be one wheel peeling down the road.
That's what I mean, yeah. Like this thing's like, I'm just gonna randomly spin when I want. And then you're fighting either way. You catch it one way, spins the other. It's like, fuck, dude.
That is insane. Oh my gosh. So, how was your experience?
That was amazing. That was fun. That was great.
Did you think you were gonna die? Like you?
No, I didn't think I was gonna die. Dude's got the wheel for sure.
Oh, yeah.
He's 100% got the wheel. Nah, I trust.
If anyone else was driving,
Oh my god, yeah. No, he knows how to drive 100%.
I can't wait to see that GoPro footage.
Oh,
That was awesome.
that was my first Honda experience.
Yeah, honestly.
First Honda experience. That was great.
Safe to say, 450 wheel and a 2,600 pound car gets moving.
Oh yeah.